What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Here's how to add a playlist and switch your YouTube profile. So what you want to do, you're going to want to press manage videos, or if you already have channel content open, then that is good with me. So for the first thing, all you want to do is either upload a video or you want to switch a video to a playlist. All you have to do is go click on that. Like me, I'm just going to open it in a new tab, and look, I already have all of this, and as y'all can see, I don't have a playlist, but if you, it will show up as nothing right here. And what you want to do, you're going to want to press create new playlist. It's going to be right here. You can name it whatever you want. Video test. And I'm gonna make it private so nobody can see it. Well, actually, I guess I can make it public in case I want to do this again. So press create, add it to it. Now, if this check is on, then just press done. If it's not, make sure it goes on. Press done, but I don't want anything on the video test playlist, so I'm just going to click done. And as you guys can see, you have to press save right here. Here's an example. Just do it, video test, save. And if I go to my YouTube channel, refresh the page, go to playlist, you will see video test right here with the one video on it. And now let's say you want to switch your YouTube profile. All you have to do is click right here. No. You're going to want to go to, you're going to want to press on customization right here. It will bring you to layout. Then you want to press branding, press change. Click whatever is in your folders and make sure you save it. Hopefully this was helpful for y'all. Goodbye.